Hey guys, thanks so much for watching this episode of Retrofit. This is me walking through our very empty office on a Saturday. Again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. A lot of you were asking for a Sonic Mario mashup, and I love making these, so this was pretty cool for me too. Also guys, if you want to see more of these, I really want to make more of these videos. It's getting dark and spooky in here. But yeah, if you want to see more of these episodes, I need light. If you guys want to see more of these episodes, let me know. And I want to do more of these, but in order for me to make more of these videos, they have to get like decent views. So that's where I need your help. I need you guys to share these videos with your friends, with your family, with your mom, with your dog. Make your dog watch it, because like this one was so much fun. Like maybe I can do like the reverse and do like a Sonic sound effects in a Mario game, but which Mario game should I do and which Sonic game should I do? There's so many possibilities. Hey, go check out the last Retrofit where we had Injustice, Gods Among Us. I did Injustice and I mixed it with Mortal Kombat sound effects. That one was a lot of fun too, so go check that out. That's somewhere here. There's a box. Ooh, it got dark and spooky again. Turn the camera around. Anyways guys, thanks so much, and I'll see you next time, so live out loud.